Hello, beautiful people. Uh, I am Pooja Jodhani, and good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're watching me in whichever part of the world you are. So, I come up with the third tip of our healthy fat loss series. Now, the third tip that I want to share is like fixing a time for workouts, scheduling a fixed time for a workout. Why is it is so important? So let me start with a study with you all, because anything we fix a time onto and anything we schedule and we do it on a permanent, we do on a regular basis, it becomes a habit. So according to the author Charles Duhigg, he's the author of The Power of Habit, he writes, at its core, the power of habit contains an exhilarating argument. The key to exercising regularly, losing weight, raising exceptional children, becoming more productive, building revolutionary companies and social movements, and achieving success is understanding how habits work. As people strengthen their willpower muscles in one part of their lives, in the gym or a money magnet program rather, that strength spilled over into what they ate, and how hard they worked. Once willpower becomes stronger, it touched everything. Now let me share with you one more thing. This is also beautiful. Let me share this, where it's gone. Yeah. Scheduling workouts can potentially help you schedule and commit to other things in life too. You see that you are able to make a workout schedule and stick to it. This can help you change your views in other tasks of day-to-day life. Says Celeb Beck, certified personal trainer and a health and wellness expert for Maples Holistics. When one area of your being becomes more manageable and orderly, it is easier for other aspects of life to follow the same course. So how beautiful it is, the power of habit, power of fixing something in our life and doing it on a daily basis, where our mind is programmed to create a habit. Guys, it takes 21 days to create a habit and 40 days to build in that and continue that habit. Okay, so the neurological networks, they just work, and they work on a constant basis, and we keep hitting on one particular time of the day, like I explained yesterday, that in creative visualization, fix a time that every day 7 a.m. I'm getting up. So what did I do? In my neurological network in my brain, I am giving a command that 7 a.m. is the time for my workout, and whatever it takes, I am going to go that way only. So fixing a time for, and it can be any time of a day. Okay, I'm doing it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, or you can do it in the evening, or maybe at night, but you have to fix a time. This will help the brain get that message that yes, this is a time for me to do this thing. It's like not finding time versus making time. When you have to find time for things, but when you go ahead and make a time for something, you are commanding your brain that this thing is very important. It's like then the brain goes in autopilot. How we brush our teeth every day, wake up in the morning, brush our teeth, take a shower, then have our breakfast. It's like the brain will also get a command that yes, this exercise is also now become a part of my daily routine, and whatever it takes, I'm going to do it. Okay, so fixing a time is very important, guys, and you will see that your body will go on autopilot, and you don't have to struggle in getting up in the morning and going for that exercise. Yesterday we covered the mental aspect of it. Today I'm telling you, do a physical aspect by just claiming that yes, just understanding that this is the time I'm going to work out, and fix it. Just make it happen rather than finding it to happen. This will take you a long way in developing other habits too, and as we saw, it will help us in other areas too. Today I'm just talking about weight loss, but as a life coach also, it helps us to get into other areas of our life in a disciplined way and help achieve our goals. So guys, this was a tip of the day. Fix a time schedule your workouts, fix a time and stick to it. Your body will start getting the command. It will take some days before the preparation is really, if your preparation, the foundation is really good, then the body goes into autopilot. And remember, it takes 21 days to create that and 40 days to make it a habit. So get going, guys. This is Pooja Judhani signing off for today. Until we meet next time. Bye bye. Take good care.